In this video, I am going to show you how to clear chat history in DeepSeek AI. Let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek app or web version on your device and go to your chat list. To delete a single chat, find the conversation you want to remove, then hover over it and click the three dots. After that, click Delete, confirm the action, and that chat will be removed from your history. If you want to delete all chats at once, click your profile picture at the bottom left, then go to Settings. From there, go to the Data section and look for the Delete All Chats option. Click it, then confirm the deletion when prompted. This will permanently erase your entire chat history. After deleting, your chat list will be completely empty, and you'll be starting fresh the next time you use DeepSeek. Keep in mind, once chats are deleted, they cannot be recovered, so make sure to save or copy anything important before deleting. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.